Go. And the race is on. Solar Power. Bahala na. Hot Gossip. Danori inside. Solar Power. Violent can have followed by Bahala na in second. Hot Gossip. Bruno is racing in fourth from the outside. And Getty September Morning. Bonjour Core Duo Dugus favorite. Solar Power by about 2 lines followed by Bahala na in second. Bruno is running in third by Lenkenhab, rushing up score duo. September Morning is running by the row. And rounding the fourth turn, Solar Power by about 2 lengths, followed now by Bruno in second. And rounding the fourth turn, Solar Power, Bruno is racing on the outside. Core Duo is running in third by about 3 lengths. Bahala na September Morning as they race the final corner. Solar Power still leading by a length and a half. Bruno remains in second. And nearing the finish line, Solar Power, Bruno on the outside, firing it out. Bruno, Solar Power, Bruno. Bruno, Solar Power, Bruno. And finally, Solar Power, Bruno, Corduo, and Getty took fourth.
Okay, 9647.